what happens when we unplug the display from the laptop of a running laptop. Look right now, like now I'll say that this laptop is working well. Okay, this laptop is working well. Now I'll just unplug this adapter, connector, and see what will happen on the screen. Oh, gone. Look, I've unplugged this and screen is gone. Now let's again plug in. Will it come or not? It worked. So if you unplug the display of a running laptop, of a laptop which is on, it will just shut down. Like, no, it won't shut down, but the display will be gone completely.